Looking to break free from the daily grind? Picture yourself cruising down the open road in a rugged off-road RV built to conquer any terrain while offering the comfort of home. Today, we're exploring the best off-road motorhomes and 4x4 camper vans that combine overlanding with style and luxury. So get ready and let's jump right in. Okay, first on our list is the SLRV Mercedes Unimog U430, a compact P4R4 expedition vehicle priced at $800, zero and designed for any adventure. It comes equipped with portal axles, differential locks, and a high-tech tire inflation system to handle tough terrains. The optional Viop Pilot steering system allows for easy switching between left and right-hand drive, making it perfect for global travel inside the Unimog U. 430 impresses with its smart design and luxury features. You'll find leather lounges, modern cabinet, and amenities like an electric bed induction, cooktop convection oven, and even a dishwasher. The lift-up bed transforms effortlessly from a cozy lounge to a spacious sleeping area, a deal for solo travelers or small groups wherever your journey takes you. This vehicle promises a first-class adventure ever. Imagine breaking free from your daily routine and embracing spontaneity. The Hummer-Free S can turn that dream into reality, built on the robust Mercedes Sprinter chassis. This camper van is more than just a vehicle. It's your ticket to limitless adventures whenever and wherever, equipped with a powerful engine, a Mercedes 9G automatic transmission, and advanced safety features. You'll have full control whether you're navigating urban streets, tackling off-road trails, or relaxing by the beach starting at $70. 900 The Hamar Freeze blends practicality with ultimate comfort, boasting a spacious interior and extra headroom. Thanks to its front-wheel drive, whether you're gearing up for a quick weekend escape or a long-term expedition, this van is designed to meet your every need. Step inside, and you'll find a stylish blend of sporty elegance and contemporary design with matte white surfaces, silver gray accents, and warm oak tones, creating an inviting space that's unmistakably Heimer. More than just a camper, it's your companion for unforgettable journeys. Introducing the Earth Roar SX, the ultimate luxury vehicle on wheels. Imagine cruising down the highway in this head-turning masterpiece, radiating the charm of a superhero. Its rugged exterior, customized to your taste, hides a lavish interior designed for those who expect the best. Think rich brown leather, polished wood finishes, and amenities that would leave even Gordon Ramsay in awe. But that's just the beginning. Inside, you'll find a kitchen worthy of a Michelin star chef, ideal for preparing gourmet meals on the go. The living space spacious enough for six complete, with a full-size shower and automated steps, offering the comfort of a five-star resort wherever you roam, with a price tag of $1 million. The Earth ROR SX is more than a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. Can you really put a price on the freedom to explore the world in unparalleled luxury? Check out the 2024 Winnebago Solis National Park Edition, a groundbreaking addition to the RV scene, priced at $152. This model is packed with features designed for outdoor lovers. One highlight is the pop top, providing extra sleeping space that's perfect for families or groups. Whether you're camping under the stars or venturing into remote locations, the Solis NPE is built for adventure. Its rugged, versatile design handles a variety of terrains and weather conditions with ease, ideal for RV newcomers. It offers user-friendly features and a well-thought-out design, making it a great entry point ready for your next journey. The Solis NPE is the perfect companion for all your adventures, ready for the adventure of a lifetime. Introducing the SLRB Expedition vehicles from Australia, showcasing the remarkable Commander 8X08. This two-story, eight-wheel powerhouse combines luxury and cutting-edge design, ready to take your explorations to new heights with a price tag of around $2 million. The Commander 8X8 is far more than just a motorhome. It's engineered to conquer any environment. Imagine navigating through rugged terrains, fording rivers, and climbing mountains, all while enjoying the comforts of home. The upper level offers ample space for kids to play and stargaze, while the master suite downstairs provides a lavish retreat after a day of adventure, with off-grid capabilities powered by solar panels. Diesel and a multi-tank water system, you can explore remote locations without sacrificing. Comfort, embark on an unforgettable journey with the Commander. 808 and experience. Adventure like never before. All right, folks, let's dive into the 2124 AWD Mercedes-Benz Sprinter by Beachside custom vans starting at 75. Free Row Zero drawing inspiration from the concrete oasis. This van comes equipped with Van Compass suspension durable, BF Goodrich KO2 tires, and sleek AMA windows, all topped off with a rugged roof rack inside the smart cret walls and lung seal flooring. Create a cozy, inviting atmosphere. The lounge area boasts an L-shaped couch, a sophisticated electrical system, and a space-saving elevator bed. The kitchen shines with butcher block countertops, walnut cabinet tray, and high-end appliances, including a dual-burner induction stove. The bathroom offers a roomy shower, a dry flush toilet, and smart storage options built for off-grid living. This van masterfully blends rugged durability with modern comforts. Get ready to be amazed by the Unimog Camper, the ultimate vehicle for adventure lovers, originally designed for military use. This road, legal beast has been transformed into a luxurious mobile escape AP. Step inside and be wowed by its spacious kitchen sleeping space for 6 a home theater and a generously sized shower built for 2. The bed easily converts into a dining area, offering panoramic views powered by solar panels. This machine is perfect for off-grid explorations, however, with a hefty price tag of $1 million. Finding the right parking spot is key. Embark on your journey in style. The Unimog Camper promises an unforgettable experience. Looking for the ultimate road trip companion? Meet the 2024 Jew Comet 18C, your ideal partner for unforgettable journeys and adventures. This compact camper van impresses with its luxurious features and smart design. It masterfully blends upscale comfort with practical functionality, from optimizing sleeping arrangements to transforming effortlessly into a cozy living space. Its shorter wheelbase enhances versatility, making it a practical choice for both camping and everyday use. And don't miss the 2024 Entraco Charge, which offers even more adventure possibilities, priced at $130. The JCO Comet 18C delivers exceptional value for the road ahead. Get ready to embark on your next adventure with unmatched style, comfort, and convenience. All right, everyone, get ready to explore the ultimate mobile sanctuary, a 23 FT marble on wheels that redefines comfort and security. This impressive vehicle features a robust frame and insulated fiberglass panels, ensuring warmth and coziness in any weather. Its heavy-duty double-sealed doors come with anti-theft hinges and remote-controlled central locking for top-notch security. Enjoy breathtaking views from panoramic windows, with mosquito nets and a lift roof hatch inside a spacious U-shaped seating area, accommodates 5 to 7 people, and an electrically lowering rotatable table adds versatility. The double bed promises exceptional comfort with its suspension ventilation imp. Plush mattress priced at $1,500. Shutterstock 0. This dream vehicle also boasts a kitchen with teak countertops, a stainless steel sink meal induction, cooktop oven and fridge freezer. The luxurious bathroom features a Vericore wash basin, porcelain toilet teak FL flooring with underfloor heating in a separate shower room with a towel radiator and folding peak seat. Every piece of furniture is expertly crafted from wood core plywood with teak edges and Alcantara paneling with abundant storage space. This vehicle is the ultimate companion for any adventure stepping into the world of AEV. The experts in vehicle transformation, you're about to discover how your Jeep camper can become the ultimate adventure machine. Imagine conquering rugged landscapes in your customized ride built for legendary journeys. Whether you're navigating rocky trails or city streets, this powerhouse takes on every challenge with ease. Picture lifting the roof to reveal ample standing room, a stylish interior premium storage, and a D-teak fridge to keep your drinks cool and snacks fresh. But there's more with off-road upgrades and solar panels. This camper ensures unmatched off-grid adventures starting at $150,000. It's not just a camper, it's a luxury experience designed to elevate every journey. Picture yourself setting off on an adventure where every turn reveals something new. Meet the Earth Cruiser Explorer XPR 440, a remarkable creation built on the legendary Mercedes-Benz Unimog with 300 horsepower and a range of up to 3,500 kilometers. This isn't just any vehicle, it's a luxurious retreat in the wild equipped with the cutting-edge Vero pilot system and designed for extreme conditions. The Explorer XPR 440 delivers unparalleled safety and comfort on every journey inside it. Blends rugged durability with opulent features, including a queen-size bed, a fully equipped kitchen, and high-tech controls managed via an iPad touchscreen, priced at $700. So 000 the Earth Cruiser Explorer XPR 440 masters any terrain from icy landscapes to blazing deserts, setting a new benchmark for off-road adventure and travel. It's not just a motorhome, it's your gateway to limitless exploration and unforgettable experiences. Discover the latest sensation from the German trade fair, the Amari, a standout overlanding vehicle from Turkish brand Crawler. This isn't just any van, it's a reimagined Volkswagen transporter featuring a sleek, rust-resistant aluminum exterior priced at $622 to 43. The Amari offers exceptional value inside. You'll find a smart functional layout with two spacious face-to-face benches that convert into a double bed, a compact bathroom with both indoor and outdoor access, and a chic wooden kitchen block up front. 4 swivel seats enhance versatility, while the pop-up double roof provides additional headroom in a generous sleeping area for adventurers. The Amar includes standard extras like a folding table, a DTIC awning, and LED lighting. Curious about experiencing the world in ultimate luxury? Meet the Unidon Discovery X, built on the rugged Mercedes-Benz Z-Trace platform. This vehicle is ideal for those who crave opulent off-grid living, but there's a catch. It comes with a $500,000 price tag. While it's a hefty investment, it's a dream come true for those who want both freedom and luxury on their journeys. Picture yourself navigating tough terrains with 770 L of water and 1,300 watts of solar power at your command with an impressive 2.10 kilometer range. You can explore even the most remote places. The Zetro military-grade construction ensures durability, while the interior offers top-notch comfort. Enjoy a fully equipped kitchen with hot and cold water, induction cooktops, and an oven, along with a queen-size bed and a complete bath setup, making you feel right at home wherever your travels lead. All right, folks, let's explore the Fiat Ducato camper, your ultimate ticket to incredible adventures. This isn't just any vehicle. It's equipped with a custom LED light bar, a front winch, and a solar panel, making it ready for any terrain inside. You'll find a sleek dining area, a fully stocked kitchen, and a comfortable full-size bed with a TV for your Netflix binges. Plus, the 4-seater dining room with rotating seats adds an extra layer of enjoyment to mealtime, powered by a 150 horsepower diesel engine and featuring 4-wheel drive. This camper is perfect for those who crave off-grid excitement. In the best part, you can own all this luxury and adventure for $350,000, ready to take the plunge. Introducing the Global XRS 7200, the pinnacle of 6.6 all-wheel drive motorhomes in a sleek military green crafted in Austria. This powerhouse rests on a MAN chassis with a robust 720 horsepower engine driving all 6 wheels, making it capable of tackling any terrain, weighing in at 18,000 kg and stretching nearly 10 mm in length. It boasts impressive features including dual 400L diesel tanks, a 720L freshwater tank, a central tire inflation system, an Arctic kit for extreme cold, and a hydraulic motorcycle lift. This blend of luxury and power is priced at $1 million. Inside, you'll find elegant wood panels, stone flooring, a versatile dining table that transforms into a bed, a fully equipped kitchen, and a plush washroom. Entertainment includes a 40-inch HD TV, Bose Audio, Apple TV, and plenty of storage for your media with satellite internet and wireless LAN. You'll stay connected anywhere. Power is supplied by an 864 kWh lithium-ion battery and one 440W solar panels. Looking for the perfect blend of freedom and comfort on the road? Introducing the latest from Etrusco, the CV600DF camper van built on the robust Ford Transit chassis. This van is not just for travel, it's designed for embracing freedom and comfort wherever you go. Priced at $53,499, the CV600DF boasts a sleek design and a spacious interior, perfect for those who appreciate both style and functionality. Roscoe's new model not only offers more options, but also enhances delivery times to get you on the road faster. Ideal for both city escapes and long scenic journeys, the CV600DF compact size and versatile layout make it an excellent choice for any adventure inside. You'll find a bright modern living space that feels like home, complete with smart storage solutions and family-friendly features, like the dual ISOFIX system, plus with a range of engine options and color choices, including frozen white and magnetic gray. You can customize the van to match your personal style. Let's dive into the world of off-road adventure with the remarkable EcoDaily 4x4 camper. This vehicle is more than just a mode of transport. It's your gateway to extraordinary wilderness experiences. Picture rugged super single wheels factory-installed differential locks and a versatile high and low-range transfer case, all engineered to conquer any terrain inside. You'll find a surprisingly spacious and luxurious interior that exemplifies SLRV's signature open design. Despite its compact size, it comes equipped with electric beds, a fully stocked kitchen featuring an induction cooktop and convection oven, and even a dryer for long trips priced around $400,000. It offers satellite TV, mobile internet, and an efficient water system that provides ample storage and conservation.